Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you to your favorite vegetarians channel, Macom's Veg Kitchen. Compliments of the season. I know we are blessed and looking forward to a prosperous new year. I'm back again with a simple recipe that you're gonna love. It's tofu kebab. Let's get started already. I have my earthenware, wooden grinder and skewers as main tools that's going to make the process easier. Now to the ingredients. I have vegetable oil, salt, some mixed veg spices, rosemary, tofu being our star ingredient, red and yellow bell peppers. I have scallions or spring onions, garlic, ginger and some onions. I start off by chopping some onions, garlic, ginger because I'm going to grind it and use it as a marinade or season to give my tofu extra flavor and make it delicious. So into my earthenware I have onions, garlic, ginger, and then I add some scallions or spring onions. Now I'm going to use my mom power or woman power to grind it until I have a very smooth paste. I used about 2 minutes to grind it, and then just when I have this smooth paste, I go in with my mixed veg spice and then a little of the rosemary, and then I just mix it all up. After it's well mixed up, I go in with just a little bit of the vegetable oil, about 2 teaspoons, and then I also add a little bit of salt to taste, and I do well to just mix it all up or grind it a little bit more. And there you have it. This is the perfect consistency I was going for. So at this point I'm going to dip my tofu cubes into the marinade or season to just sit for some extra minutes. So whilst my tofu is sitting pretty marinating, I get to prep my veggies, which is already washed. I'm going to cut up my red and yellow bell peppers and the onion as well. Just when I'm done with prepping of my veggies, I go ahead to thread the tofu and the veggies onto the skewers. So this is how I'm going to do it. I pick one tofu, thread it, add onion, add another tofu, and then I go in with a bell pepper. So that is how I'm going to do it. I repeat the process until everything is done. After threading it all, I'm going to lay it beautifully on my baking pan. I'm going to add the marinade to the tofu, the rest of the marinade in the earthenware. I wouldn't want to waste any, so I add it onto the tofu and then I'm going to grill it. Mind you, my oven is preheated, so I baked it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and there you have it. Delicious crunchy tofu kebab. It's crisp on the outside and really soft on the inside. I need not tell you, it's delicious. Everyone is going to enjoy it, so do well to try your hands on it and let me know how it tastes. Tofu kebab is a perfect protein substitute and it's highly nutritious. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. If you loved it, do well to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already and share this beautiful video to your friends, family, contact, everybody you know. Until next time, do well to stay beautiful, stay positive, and a prosperous happy new year and a happy 2024 to you all. Bye guys.